Reports have emerged claiming that the United Arab Emirates has decided to withdraw from OPEC and OPEC Plus effective May 1. If confirmed, this would represent one of the most significant shifts in global energy politics in the recent years, coming at a time when oil markets are already under pressure from geopolitical tensions and supply uncertainty. Well, the announcement is said to have been made through the UAE state-run news agency and is being framed as part of a long-term strategic and economic realignment rather than a short-term policy change. Well, let us shed light on a strategic shift in energy and economic priorities. And according to these reports, the UAE's decision reflects a broader shift in its energy strategy with increasing focus on expanding domestic oil production capacity and diversifying its long-term economic base. And the country has been steadily investing in its energy infrastructure and aims to strengthen its position as a major global supplier with greater flexibility over production decisions. And the UAE currently produces close to 5 million barrels of oil per day and has ambitious plans to sustain or further increase this output in the coming years. Officials are said to have emphasized that the move aligns with the country's evolving economic vision, while still maintaining a commitment to stability and responsibility in the global energy markets. But why the timing raises global concern? Let us understand about it. Well, the reported exit comes at a particularly sensitive moment for global energy markets. Ongoing geopolitical tensions involving the United States, Israel and Iran have already contributed to disruptions in supply routes and heightened volatility in the oil prices. And all these tensions have created an unstable environment where even small shifts in production or policy can have amplified global effects. And in this context, any potential change involving a major oil producer like the UAE is being closely watched by markets and policymakers alike. And uncertainty around supply chains, shipping security and regional stability continues to weigh heavily on global energy sentiment. Well, what has been the possible impact on OPEC and global oil stability? OPEC, established in 1960, and its expanded alliance OPEC Plus have traditionally played a massive role in coordinating oil production among major exporting countries in order to stabilize prices and manage global supply. And the reported withdrawal of a key member, such as the UAE, could raise serious questions about the unity and effectiveness of the organization. Analysts suggest that if the UAE were to operate outside coordinated production agreements, it could weaken OPEC's collective bargaining power and reduce its ability to manage global supply discipline. And this could lead to greater price volatility, especially during periods of geopolitical stress or supply disruptions. And at the same time, ongoing risk in critical transit routes such as the Strait of Hormuz, through which nearly 1/5 of global oil and LNG shipments pass, further amplify concerns about the market stability. Well, what it could mean for global energy and India? Oil markets remain highly sensitive to global developments, including geopolitical conflicts, production decisions, and shifts in demand from major economies such as China, India, and the United States. And any confirmed structural change involving a large producer like the UAE could have far-reaching consequences for pricing, supply chains, and global trade flows. And beyond immediate market reactions, the development also connects to broader trends in global energy and finance, including discussions around de-dollarization and alternative currency settlement mechanisms in energy trade. And for India, the UAE remains a key energy partner and one of its major crude suppliers. And over the years, both the countries have strengthened ties through trade, investment, and infrastructure cooperation. There is also growing interest in expanding local currency settlement systems, including rupee-based trade in energy transactions, which could gain further momentum if global energy alignments continue to shift. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.